billahi minash shaitan rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my YouTube family. Welcome to Yasmeen's family. I want to thank the Almighty Allah who has enabled me and you to reach this new blessed day. It is not our power, not our knowledge, it is Allah's will. Dear viewers and my returning subscribers, it's me, Mama Yasmeen. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm so super thankful from the bottom of my heart. Subscribers, I can't get enough of thanking you. Thank you so much for the love, the great support. I'm super thankful from the bottom of my heart. If you are new here, kindly subscribe on Mama Yasmeen's channel, so support your mother, your grandmother, your aunt, your sister, your friend from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. Yeah, today we are going to prepare a pizza in a different way. This is sugar and salt. Yeah, homemade pizza. From chapati to pizza. Yeah, get me well, get me well. Get me well, my friend, from chapati to pizza. Yeah, sugar, salt, cooking oil, and our wheat flour. As simple as you are going to see, inshallah. We are going to start frying. Yeah. Hmm? now we are done. We are done with our chapati. So we are done frying our chapati. We have here onion, eggs, goat meat, green pepper, and our carrot. So let us start. We are done with creating our curd. We have our curd, salt again salt. Now we added the salt in our chapati. We have to add in more carrot and salt. Goat meat, bell pepper, and onions. So we have to mix all these together. We have to mix. So now we are done with mixing our goat meat, bell pepper, carrot, and onion with salt. Now these are our eggs. This will be enough. This will be enough. These are going to be enough. Dear friends, my viewers, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting Mama Yasmeen. Our pizza chapati, we call it pizza or chapati. Yeah, mini pizza is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting Mama Yasmeen. I'm so grateful from the bottom of my heart. May Allah the Almighty bless you, my people. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.